In this video, I'm going to show you how to top up an existing trading bot that you may have running already inside Aurum. So as you can see here on my main balance, I have $80.79. So I'm going to use these funds here to top up an existing trading bot. So from the left-hand side, I'm going to click on financial proposals, and I'm going to go down to the EXI bot. And then if I scroll down the screen here, you can see for this account, I've got a bot that's running. It's got $180.12 in. And if you look to the far right of the screen, you'll see a button that says top up. So I click on that button. I get this pop up, and all I need to do is, you can see there's my available balance. So I'm just going to copy that, pop that in there and paste it. Obviously, you can manually type it as well. And then I'm just going to click on confirm the top up. So that's now done. As you can see, that bot's now gone up to $260.91. And that's how easy it is to top up an existing bot using the balance that's already inside your Aurum account. Now, if you'd like to set up a trading bot you've not done already, and you want to create an account with Aurum, below this video you can find a link. It's going to take you over to a page where you pop in your email address, and then I'm going to send you this page here, which is a page to show you how to get set up. There's a video presentation, mind-blowing. That presentation will blow your socks completely off. I've got videos to show you how to get set up. I've also got a video there showing you that I did a withdrawal. So if you're interested in earning up to 18.5% returns average on a month, then click the link below this video and I'll show you how to get set up with this amazing business. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.